Shelby. When we first met, I never imagined this day would come. But now that we are here, I couldn't have imagined choosing anyone else but you to go through life's journey with. I love your laugh, your smile, your caring nature, and how you can turn a dark day into the brightest. I promise to support you, to honor you, and to love you unconditionally, even when we may disagree on something. I promise to make you laugh when you're taking yourself too seriously. I promise to hold your hand through the good times and through the bad. I promise to be loyal and faithful and to put you before all else. I can't imagine where I would be without you. And I cannot wait to continue this crazy journey with you by my side. From this day forward, you will never walk alone. I love you.
Good. As we stand here today, I can't help but think at where we started. Although it has been a short time, it feels as though we have been doing this forever already. I promise to always encourage and support you. I promise to comfort you on the days where you may be struggling. I promise to love you on the days when I might not feel like liking you. I promise to love you when life is easy and to love you when life is hard. Above all, I promise to make God a priority in our marriage, and I promise to be true to you and to love you always until the end of my days.
So Chris and Shelby, I encourage you now as you go forward with your lives, now as one, forever speak life, speak love, and speak God's blessings with each other, and most importantly, with your walk with God.